Almost 11 months ago, I started making several videos about the Walkie Talkie circuit. And in most of those videos, there was a problem of noise in the sound. The reason for these noises may be the high gain of the telecommunication modules or maybe something else that I don't know. I recently got acquainted with these amplifiers, which I used in the restaurant pager video. And in this video, I'm gonna use these modules instead of amplifiers. First of all, I start with my own design where I use nRF24 modules. All the videos I mention will appear on the screen at the end of this video. So stay with me until the end of the video. I changed the pins of the nRF24 module so that it fits more easier on the breadboard. After the transmitter and receiver are ready, you can see that the digital audio signal is being sent. Now I have to connect the amplifier and put a filter on the output. But as you can see, this is useless. I even got help from digital to analog converters and it didn't help. Well, now I test these modules on the older Walkie Talkie project. Oh, you must put a filter in the output. But the result was this. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3. How are you? Hey, do you hear me? Alright, nothing worked at all in this video. But see here. I connected the microphone module directly to the amplifier to see if I could hear my voice. But see the result. What? Hello? Hello? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. What I realize is that the problem is with the microphone module because it has a very high gain, and I'm gonna solve this problem in the next videos. Well, thank you so much for being with me so far, and I know it was a short video, but not all of our projects are supposed to be successful. Please like the video and hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. And thank you again for watching the video. See you soon. Goodbye.